Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new day here in the south of France. Do you Maya say hello?
What is called?
Maya, say hello.
Yo! Yellow!
Say hello, Maya.
Hello! Yellow.
Attends. Dis hello. Dis hello. Dis moi
Maya, say hello.
goodbye.
She might think it's funny. But anyways, we are about to get tested for COVID. We're going to take COVID tests so that we can enjoy the rest of this year in style. One. Come on, Maya. Alright, so on we go to the pharmacy to get tested and then we pick you up back from there. It's a pleasure time for Moy and Maya before the holiday. It ends.
Ah oui, ça c'est bon, hein, ça rafraîchit tout le monde. Allez, on va y aller, on va nous faire.
Maya?
Viens me prendre l'œil là. Alors on va essayer là.
Ça c'est du mal.
Ça se fait. Voilà, et tu l'as vous le tirer.
Ça chatouille, hein, ça fait des guili
Ferme
partout.
tout là.
Voilà, je vais tout ça. Et voici l'arrivée. Tout le monde va bien?
Non, pas la petite.
Lâchez les barrières, s'il vous plaît, ouverture automatique. Merci.
Wow, bravo Jemoy! Bravo Jemoy!
Attention, ouverture. Même pas peur.
Yeah, you shoot 1 hour ago.
Allez, prenez place, on vous attend.
Wali ko Jemoy, kaya look lean. C'est bon Jemoy? Mathieu, help Jemoy, help Jemoy. Ouais, bravo, Maya. Maya.
Alors, regardez, vous choisissez un cadeau chacun.
Dis-moi, mets-toi à côté de Maya, comme ça tu prends la photo.
Du bas, tout en bas, la rangée de là, et vous pouvez choisir aussi entre les quatre. Allez.
Allez, on vous attend, prenez vos places, venez vous amuser.
Maya, let me do it again. So Maya win this. And Jemoy,
On passe par là. On va go back à l'hôpital là.
4 Pokemon. Ay, 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 ay. Oh my God, this is horrible. Each time I took the COVID test, it's more painful than painful. I just took my COVID test. So now we have to wait afterward when we get the result. We send the result on a message. So y'all will see the result. Oh.
Sanction.
Okay.
We are now back at home. No, I'm not COVID positive. We are both negative. The result come back negative. And I'm about to go and cook some food, some dumpling and banana with sweet potato and some brown stewed chicken. I've been craving this for a very long time now. And then a couple days ago, I was watching Auntie Dana's live. Auntie Solene eating green banana and mackerel. And then what is around water for Solene food. Can you imagine? So I went out this morning and I bought myself some banana because I'm going to eat me some Jamaican food today before I ring in the new year. So that's what we're going to do now. Chicken well seasoned and everything. Here I have my flour made up over here, so ready and ready to put in the pot. Here's my food ready to eat. I'm so hungry, guys. I couldn't even wait to show now. Did in the pot a while ago, but now I'm all ready to eat. I'm gonna put a little ketchup on this. I'm gonna eat. So hope you all have a wonderful evening, or whatever you're doing. Stay blessed, and God is love.